In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive all data. We're focusing on removing Google Drive's data from your device, things like app settings, cached files, and any documents you save for offline use. This is a great way to free up space, reset a buggy app, or start fresh on your phone or tablet. Keep in mind, this process affects your device's local data. Your files stored in the cloud remain in your Google Drive account unless you delete them separately. Before we begin, a quick heads up. If you have important files saved for offline access, make sure they're safely synced to the cloud or backed up elsewhere. Clearing storage removes those local copies and signs you out of the app on this device. You can always download them again later, but it's good to double-check anything critical beforehand. Also, the exact menu names can vary slightly depending on your device brand and Android version, but the path will be very similar. Start by opening your device's Settings app. This is where you control system preferences and manage all installed applications. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or App Management. Some devices call it Apps and Notifications, or simply Apps. If your phone has a search bar in Settings, you can also type Apps to get there faster. Next, scroll through your list of installed apps and find Drive. It may appear as Google Drive, or just Drive with the familiar triangle icon. If you don't see it right away, tap See All Apps or use the search within the app screen to locate it. Open the Drive app info page, then choose Storage and Cache. This screen shows how much space the app is using for data and cached items. You'll notice two options: Clear Cache and Clear Storage, sometimes called Clear Data. Clearing the cache only removes temporary files. To completely delete all app data from the device, including account settings and offline documents, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. You'll usually see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully so you understand that this action removes local files and resets the app on this device. Confirm to proceed. The storage number should drop to near zero, indicating the data has been removed. That's it. The next time you open Google Drive, you'll sign in again and your content will resync from the cloud as needed. If your goal was to troubleshoot issues or reclaim space, you should notice immediate improvements. And remember, your cloud files are still safe in your account. This step only wipes local data on the device.